Hi Facebook, hi YouTube, how is everybody doing today? I'm Kimberly from San Diego, California. You can also call me KSN Keto if you're wondering what I'm doing. I'm trying to get my phone set up, that way I can see your comments. At least if you are on Facebook. If you're on YouTube, I can't see your comments right now. But if you comment, I will certainly go ahead and message you back. If you are catching the live, you're going to see that red live box up at the top on Facebook. If you'll drop me a 1 or say hi and hello, I love talking to y'all. I know that I am running late. It's a whole drama story. Anyways, if you are catching the replay on this, you can drop I miss you and make sure that your settings are turned on right. So tap my face, the 3 dots in the upper right hand corner, halfway down is follow, see first, and turn on live notifications. Hi Candy, how are you today? So we're making keto calzones. I rolled out some dough already, and I am not putting ricotta or sausage in this one. I don't have the sausage that I would need in particular for this. And number 2, my husband does not like ricotta. Candy, I am, it's a whole nother thing. I am doing okay. I am resting quite a bit. I don't know if you can hear in my voice. I woke up this morning with a very sore throat and a cough, and I'm just putting some Italian seasoning down. And I'm really dehydrated. I've had a lot of water today. So for those of you that want to know, because my energy has been super down, 2020 got us. I can't say exactly what we have because Facebook will shut me down. But we are not leaving our house for the next 3 weeks because my husband tested negative, and yeah, so that's what's going on in our house. If you're wondering what we were sick with, there you go. So we are very lucky to have a few good friends that I have a friend that went to Costco for me the other day when she was going and dropped all of our groceries off on our front porch, and then texted me after she left. And then this morning I was actually running out of Lily's chocolate chips, and I couldn't get Vaughn's to deliver them. So my neighbor this morning, I texted her, and she was going to Sprouts, and she went ahead and she got us a bunch of different things, including my Lily's chocolate chips, so I could make candies. So yep, that's what we're doing. We're staying home for the next 3 weeks. All pictures of me will be in my house or directly in front of my house.
Or backyard.
Or in the backyard. Probably honestly not my backyard unless my husband puts together the fire pit that we got several weeks ago, actually.
This close to launch? I don't think so.
Yeah. My husband is working like crazy, not just for work, but he also is working on getting my YouTube stuff up and helping me learn things. So
Yeah, 6 days behind on videos. I want to apologize for that.
yes, so if you're following me on YouTube, I'm so sorry. The rendered versions will be up just as soon as my husband is feeling better and can get to them. We have been trying to rest as much as we can. So there's no ricotta in this because my husband does not like ricotta cheese.
Yay!
So I figured that I would not force him to have ricotta cheese. Candy, how are you doing? Now that you're all caught up on my life, how are you doing? Ooh. And I am just tucking these ends in. By the way, this is fathead dough. If you guys want to know how to make this dough, it is so super simple. And it's so versatile. I use it in quite a number of things. So if you want the recipe for this, for the fathead dough specifically, just write the word dough down below and I will do a live this weekend for it. I am trying to go live as many times as possible for you guys. Hopefully I won't get put down for like being sick. Well, I guess put down is probably not the best word for that. Hopefully I will feel well enough that I feel like I can go live every single day. Because I really do enjoy going live with you guys, and it also keeps me in the kitchen and keeps our family eating healthy and all of the wonderful things. Oh, Candy says that we're frozen. They can hear me, but we're frozen.
Okay. Off to the other room.
My husband's gonna go fix that, Candy. Thank you for letting me know. All I'm doing right now is I'm layering pepperoni and mozzarella cheese inside this dough and making a calzone. So I am not actually putting any tomato sauce in here. You can put tomato sauce in here, but just know that it can make the dough soggy. So we do ours a little differently. It's kind of an inside out calzone, and the fact that we're going to dip it in Rao's marinara sauce.
Okay, so
What?
can confirm we are frozen. I have to power cycle the unit, which means the stream's going to get interrupted, so you're going to have to repeat it in OBS. Actually, wait. Let me check.
He's trying to fix it, y'all.
Oh, okay. So we can
Is it
see
my laptop?
it there. Maybe. Okay, yeah, so it's possibly the video stream. First I'll do this, see if this fixes it. Okay, we got it fixed. So
Candy, does that look better?
Well, it's frozen again now.
It is frozen.
Nope.
No, and there we go. Yay!
Oh, it's buffering. That's what's going on.
Thank you so much, Candy, for letting us know. I appreciate that. Facebook is kind of funny, too, because when you watch the replay, typically if there's problems with the stream, you don't see it in the replay here.
Yeah, because sometimes it's their encoding system that's actually breaking and not our side of the pipe. Right now, it looks like we're definitely having problems because it's frozen in OBS, but I'm going to...
Anyways, so I got some more dough, and I literally have a sheet of parchment paper. Hey everybody, sorry about that. Apparently we're having technical difficulties. Anyways, I put this fathead dough, and I also just realized that I rolled it a little too thin. Hi Tina, how are you? Sorry y'all. This is just like, whew. It's later than we usually go. And yeah. So for those of you that missed it earlier, 2020 has got us. We are stuck at home for the next 3 weeks. I absolutely love my friends that have been so wonderful and like have gone to Costco for us. And my neighbor actually went to Sprouts this morning, so I have Lily's chocolate chips because every time I try to order them online, I get told that it's too hot to ship them. I don't think it's too hot to ship them. I think it's cold, but that's just me. Anyways, so I'm rolling this fathead dough out. If you guys want the recipe for the dough and want to see me do it live, if you would type the word dough down in the down in the comments for me. I'd absolutely love to know. If you guys want to see it, I will make it for you guys tomorrow. So I don't make my stuff pretty and perfect. Hi Courtney, how are you? Yes, Tina, I will get you the recipe. Same for you, Courtney, once everything is up. If you guys would like this recipe, please drop the word recipe down below. Also, if you like this video, please feel free to share it out. I love when you guys share my stuff. I love when you guys tag your friends and family members in it. I love talking to you guys. All of you give me so much inspiration for different meal ideas. So I do not put tomato sauce in our calzone because then the dough gets really super soggy. I also don't put ricotta in our calzone because my husband hates ricotta. I'm trying to be nice to him because he's not feeling so well. And he's also spending lots of time taking care of my YouTube stuff. So, and helping me with videos. So I'm trying to be very nice to him. So, I'm just putting some mozzarella and some pepperoni in there. And I'm going to throw some Italian seasoning inside of it. And then we're just going to fold it up and tuck the edges in. Woo! And tuck the edges in. And y'all, thank you, Courtney. Thank you, Tina. I appreciate the shares. Y'all, I love this because for the most part it is very quick and easy, and you can make it different for everybody in your family. I am just making all of these pepperoni and cheese because that's what we want. But if you have somebody that's a vegetarian, well, it's got a lot of cheese in it. But you can add veggies to it. You can put pineapples in one, olives, whatever you like. And then I am going to top it with some more Italian seasoning. Hi, Candy. Thank you for joining us again. I know the stream's kind of wonky, and my husband has had to like restart the video a few times.
Possibly not now. The kids were watching streaming stuff.
Oh.
During the live.
Apparently my kids were watching Netflix, and we have discovered that watching Netflix and going live in our house is not a...
not compatible.
It's not compatible. It doesn't work in our house. So, we'll have to add that to our checklist every day. So like I said, if you want the recipe for the dough, please type the word dough down below, and I will do a live on how to make this dough. Sorry I started late, y'all. I don't know if you know, but I'm also on TikTok, and I use my food processor to make doggy treats today. I made a lot of doggy treats. I had to wait for my food processor to get cleaned so that I could shred cheese so that I could make fathead dough. So I'm going to throw this in the oven. It's going to be at 350 for 20 minutes. Alexa, set timer for 20 minutes. And you can always double or triple this recipe or cut it in half, however you want. You can make your calzone smaller if you like. I kind of made these bigger just because we like big calzones. I also put my Rouse marinara sauce on the side because I like to dip my calzones. Yes, honey.
Now I want to try a steak encrusted in fathead dough with cheese on top.
I can look. I think it's called a Wellington. Does anybody know what it's called when a steak is wrapped in dough? I know in a pastry dough, I want to say that it's called a Wellington steak.
If it were really, really thin, it would be a schnitzel, right? But
no. Schnitzel is fried and breaded. Completely different. Anyways, I'm going to hop off here, you guys. If you've ever watched my videos before, you know that the finished product will be down in the comments. If you guys commented on last night's video, I know I have not gotten back to all of you yet. I am so sorry. I have not felt the greatest today. Like I said, 2020 got us. And I've spent a lot of time resting today. But I will be up and answering comments just as soon as I possibly can. Please feel free to message me. If you want to get a hold of me right away, private message me. Also send me a friend request. That way you don't go into my spam folder. And don't forget to tap my face. The 3 dots in the top right hand corner halfway down is follow. See first, turn on live notifications. If you're on YouTube, it's subscribe and like. Please feel free to message me. I will get back to every single one of you, I promise, just as soon as I possibly can. And also, I will be coming live tomorrow night with a brand new recipe because, well, we can't leave the house. And we're definitely not handing out candy to anybody. So I'll be in my kitchen cooking tomorrow night. So if there's something special that you guys want to see, let me know. I would love to know. That way I can make it for you. Okay. Thank you so much, Candy. I really appreciate it. And she said, yes, it's a Wellington if it's steak in crusted in bread. Okay. Okay, y'all. I hope that you guys have a wonderful Friday night and a happy Halloween Eve. If you didn't see my Freebie Friday post, make sure you go check it out. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hi, everybody. So the timer just went off. So we're going to grab those calzones out of the oven, and I know it's going to be super hot. Look how delicious that is. Ooh, and it is very hot. So we're going to let these cool for about 10 minutes. And during that time, I'm going to get my Rouse sauce out of the refrigerator because that's where I store it after I open it. And I'm going to put it in a bowl and warm it up just a little bit. And then we're going to have dinner and eat our calzones and dip them in our sauce because that's the way that we like it. I want to know, are you a dipper for your calzones or do you like the sauce to be inside? Let me know because I want to know. I'm interested now. Okay. I hope that you guys have a wonderful Friday night. Tomorrow is Halloween. It's Saturday. So enjoy your weekend. Okay. Bye, y'all.